Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by locating the image and the system controls. First, make sure the picture is saved where you can find it, ideally at your screen's native resolution to avoid stretching. Next, open Settings or Control Panel and type Background or Personalization in the search bar to jump straight there. If this is a managed laptop, make sure you have administrative access or permission. Once done, keep the file open in File Explorer so you can select it quickly when you reach the background options. Now choose how the wallpaper is applied and why each option matters. Pick Picture for a single photo, Slideshow if you want rotating images, Solid Color for minimal distraction. Click Browse to select your saved image and then pick the display mode. Fill reduces black bars, Fit preserves the entire image, Stretch can distort, Tile repeats, and Center leaves margins. If you chose Slideshow, set the interval and ensure power settings allow changes on battery. Make sure multiple monitors are configured. If you're complete the change by applying and verifying it across displays. Click Apply or save changes and glance at each monitor to confirm the layout and colors look correct. If the wallpaper appears blurry or cropped, switch the fit mode or use a higher resolution version of the image. That typically fixes scaling issues. If nothing updates, restart the Windows Explorer process or reboot the laptop. On company devices, check group policy restrictions or contact IT, because policies can block custom backgrounds and require administrative override.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.